People are always asking what to do with the cast iron that's been all jacked up. Well, my wife just jacked up this cast iron pan.
Yes, I did.
I'm going to show you.
Yes, I did.
I'm going to show you it. She's all burned up, smoking, that sort of stuff. First thing you do is get something so you don't burn your hand. Y'all got these? Everybody has them, don't they? And I'm going to put it underneath some water while it's still hot. And you can see it's all starting to come off already. Look how good that pan looks already. Got a couple spots sticking still that I'm going to have to work on. So I'm just going to take this little scrub brush with no soap and scrub those little pieces off there. A couple spots a little bit tougher. Alright, so there's the pan now. And there might be a couple spots I still have to get, but I'm going to put some olive oil in here. Maybe a little bit of salt for that spot right there. And then I'll show you what it looks like. So I just take some napkins is all I've got here. Is I'm just going to wipe it out to see where I am as far as any spots still on there, and there's a couple. So we're going to add some oil to it and a little bit of salt, and I'll show you what to do next. See how. All right, you can see there's some spots in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take just a little bit of vegetable oil, put that in there. Oil in there. Now I'm going to add a little bit of just kosher salt, and I'll take that and rub any of those real rough spots. And it's amazing what this does as far as scouring and scraping anything out there without messing up your. And there you go. So now what I'll do is I'll rinse this out, oil it one more time, and she is good to go. So then I just rinse the salt out. This cast iron pan and just put some vegetable oil in it and just wipe it around the side like that. And look at that pan. That pan is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. It's all like here. You can see a reflection in that joker, and that pan was jacked up. Cast iron, it's the way to go, y'all.